As you may know, I really like to try AI writing tools, so this is my Writesonic review video. Welcome or welcome back to Digital Tool Case. I am Chris and I never tried Writesonic. This is not a new AI writing tool. It's well known, it has many features, so I was curious to try it out and this is what I will do in this video. Writesonic has many features, like for example an AI and blog writing tool, many other templates. They also have a Chatsonic, it's their chat version. They have a Botsonic, so you can create your personalized bots. And they have, in my opinion, a good pricing plan structure because you can have a free trial, and obviously you can find the link in the description. Thank you if you will use it. You have a pro plan, and they have a quite good plan. This is the monthly price for $19. You can start from 100,000 words, but you can also go up and obviously pay a little bit more. This for 300,000 words, it's $49 monthly. If you choose the annual plan, you will save 33%. So in this case, it's just $12.67 for 100,000 words, and for 300,000 words it's $32.67 every month if you pay annually. These are all the included features in this case: unlock GPT-4, GPT-4 32 key, factual and personalized article writer, brand voice, Botsonic, no-code AI chatbot builder, article rewriter, higher quality image generation, API access, bool processing, priority access, and priority support. You also have this superior selector. I don't really know what changes. I suppose it's here. Superior quality, GPT-4 and GPT-4 32K offer enhanced intelligence, improved understanding of inputs, and smarter contextual responses. And for the same price, you obviously have less words to use. Anyway, if you want to try Writesonic, again, you can find the link in the description. Now I'm inside my Writesonic account in this case, so I can show you the most of the features of this tool. This is the first screen I see. You don't have any projects yet, please create one. So I will create a new project, I will call it video review, perfect, and now I have my dashboard. Okay, it's in English now, and as you can see here I have AI article writer 5.0. It's an updated version because this is the 4.0. I suppose these will write better articles. I have a Botsonic, I have a Chatsonic like ChatGPT. And then I also have some other templates and tools. Let's try right now this AI Article Writer 5.0, factual, up-to-date, instant articles up to 2,500 words based on your competitors' articles or your existing content. So I suppose this will work similar to other tools. It will search for SERP data and generate an SEO optimized article. So let's include the topic. I want to use this topic. I already used this in one of my last videos, so we can maybe compare them in a future video. And I can click here, search articles, and I will see, I suppose, my competitors for this topic. It's aromatherapy candles benefits. Please select at least one and at most 10 articles. So let's use this one, this one, this one, and this one. I choose 4 of these. I think it's enough for this example. I click on next here. I can include keywords and I will only use this main keyword. I can include my brand voice or tone of voice by writing it here or by choosing a brand voice. I don't have a brand voice. If you need it, you can create it. So in this case I want to use friendly professional. Quality type I can choose between superior or Premium. Superior is GPT-4 with reasoning 99%, speed 60%, consciousness 80%, or GPT 3.5. As you can see, the percentages are a little bit different. I will use GPT-4, so the superior option, language English, and now I think I just need to click on this generate article, but here, as you can see, read our detailed guide on how to generate SEO optimized blog articles. So if I open this link, you have some instructions on how to build your perfect blog. This is interesting. Now let me click here, generate article, and let's wait. I have a final check. Kindly review the word counts presented below. Please note that 1/3 of both the input and output words will be charged. Okay, so it's saying estimate 2042 words. I can choose to confirm or cancel. In this case, I will just confirm here. And now it's working. It's writing my article. I also have an interesting image here. Not bad at all. It's taken from free images, so I suppose you don't have any copyright issues in this case. Interesting, but as you can see, you have a markup here over this image. Okay, my article is done. Let me check if I have a word count here. It's less than the estimate one, this number, it's just above 1000 words. Anyway, reaping the wholesome perks of aromatherapy candles, an insight into their benefits. I have an image, I have an introduction, and then I have this H2. It's not really a listicle kind of article in this case. It's something little different. If you want, you can stop the video and read all this article, obviously, but it's talking about benefits, because as you can see, a well-placed candle can instantly make your living room feel warm and welcoming. A candlelit dinner at home can be just as romantic as a dinner at a fancy restaurant. So in some way it's talking about aromatherapy candles benefits, but not in a listicle format. It's not bad at all. I like the way it's structured, because it's more complex in its structure than a normal listicle, so it's not bad at all. I'm missing a conclusion here, if I have to say something, but anyway, not bad at all. You can obviously regenerate your article if you don't like it. You can share your document, and I can't see a save button, so I suppose this is already saved. I can also edit this article with Google Docs-like Sonic editor. Let me try this one. Now this editor opens, so here I can edit my article as I like with this Write with AI, with my settings here. I also have this sidebar with some settings: creativity, language, quality type, and length of my output. If I select a text, I have AI shortcuts, rephrase, expand, shorten, for example. So let me try with this expand. And I have two different options here. By clicking here, I can change it. Okay, so I have my old one and my new one here. It's quite simple to use. I have this focus mode and sonic mode, where I suppose you can also have your templates. It reminds me Jasper in the way this interface is done. Anyway, this is the way you can edit your documents with Writesonic. Just for curiosity, I want to see the difference with this AI article 4.0. I see something different here. You have more steps, so let's try very quickly to generate these. I can search keywords. Let's see what I have here. Okay, not bad at all. I have some other keywords I can include in my article with the keyword difficulty and traffic. So let me just insert this one and this one with high volume, low keyword difficulty and some traffic. Okay. I suppose they will be included in my article. Now I click on this next button and I have get ideas. As you can see, I have my selected keywords here: tone of voice, professional, first person, call to action, quality type. Let's try this time with the premium. It's GPT 3.5, so I will consume less credits. I can choose the number of ideas. Let me go to 1, generate ideas. Okay, these are ideas for titles. Let's say I like it. I click on that. Now get an outline, so I can generate outline. Let's try to generate 2 different outlines, and here they are. Let's use the first one in this case, and now I can edit my H2s if I want. I can also add something or remove something, or I can generate article. Again, I have a related image taken from Unsplash in this case. Okay, this is my article. I also have a CTA, a call to action at the end, a conclusion. In this case, I have a list, okay, a list of tips, and I have my article. Again, it's slightly more than 1000 words. It's less formatted than the other because, as you can see, I don't have a real H2 here. But anyway, it's quite good. Let me scroll this article, so if you want, you can stop the video and read it by yourself. And obviously here I used GPT 3.5, so the quality will be different from the other one. Anyway, it's quite good and really fast to generate. Even in this case, I can open it in this Sonic editor and edit as I like. Just let me see if I can use commands here. I don't know if I can use commands. Write another paragraph. If I go here, I don't have a command option. Let me try by using this write with AI. It seems working. Let me try another thing. Write a list of 3 aromatherapy candles benefits. Let's try. Okay, I have a list, so even commands are working here by using this write with AI. Now let's try Chatsonic like ChatGPT really quickly. As you can see, you can include Google data, you can choose between different personalities: general AI, English translator, interviewer, travel guide, stand-up comedian, motivational coach, relationship coach, poet, philosopher, and others. You can enable memory, and as you can see here, charge 2 per output words. I don't know if it's related to memory or Google data. Okay, it's related to Google data. So if you want to include the fresh data, you will be charged 2 per of the number of words in the output. But let's include the Google data, and let's try general AI first. Let's try with something really factual and fresh. I found this news from today's starting grid for the 2023 F1 Austrian Grand Prix. Let's see if it can tell me what it is. So give me information about the starting grid for the 2023 F1 Austrian Grand Prix. Let's find it out. Maybe it's too difficult because it's from today, but let's see. Okay, it's giving me this grid. Let's see if it's correct. So we have first Verstappen, we have second Leclerc, we have third Sainz, and it's perfectly correct. I see some differences in the other ones, maybe because the source where it took these ones was not so updated anyway, or maybe is this one that's not updated. Anyway, it's extracting the correct names, maybe there are slightly differences, but not bad. So now let me try to write something like write a news article introduction talking about starting grid and so on, and including the above data. So let's try to do like this. Okay, this is my introduction. I can't see this data above, but it's talking about this topic, obviously. Please rewrite by including some of the above grid data. I want to see if I can include some of the names in this introduction. Okay, I have some of them. So it's understanding my prompt here. Let me try very quickly this travel guide, for example. Talk about Italy and the most famous cities to visit. I choose this travel guide. When I choose this, I can't use Google data. This is only for general AI. So let's see what I have here. And obviously is talking about very famous cities like Rome, Florence, Venice, Milan, and again Rome. This I have it 2 times. Anyway, we know no AI tool, no AI chat is perfect. So this is how this works. You also have a prompt library here if you want to save your prompts, and here you can have your saved chats. Chatsonic also works on Android, as you can see here. Now let's take a look very quickly to Botsonic. You can create your bot and train your bot. Let me just write a test here. I don't really know how to generate a bot, but I just want to show you this interface. You can upload file, enter a link, add a sitemap, or include FAQs. So you can upload your file with some information and you can train your bot using your data. This is important because maybe you want to create something really personalized, and you can do it with this. You can include your sources, you can customize by clicking here. As you can see, you have many options. You can upload your logo and generate your messages and so on. You can have starter questions. You can set user data here. I can't click it because I suppose I first need to compile all these things. But anyway, you can generate your personalized bots with Botsonic included in Writesonic. This is the bulk generate section where you can generate these content types, so Amazon product descriptions, all you can have in your templates. I don't know if you can generate articles in bulk. I can't see these in the list here, but you can generate many other templates in bulk, and you can also upload your CSV or Excel files with a list, for example, of outputs you want to generate. You have a library here with all your templates. You have your social media ones, for example, website copy, e-commerce, and so on. You have your history with all your generations, and you also have Photosonic to generate images with AI. These are just some examples. If you generate an image, you will consume 400 premium words. Let's try to generate one, and let's see here what happens, because as you can see, I have this number of words available. So let me try an example. Let's just use this one. I can change the format, so let's say horizontal. I can also decide how many images I want. Let's say 1, so this will be only 200 premium words. Generate, and here it is, my image. This was my prompt, and I consumed 200 words. So you just need to take in consideration the number of words you have in your package and the images you want to generate. So this is how Writesonic works. It's not bad at all, I have to say. It's quite easy to use. It really depends from your needs, because yes, you have a chat, you have a bot generator, you have two different types of article generators. They are optimized based on SERP, especially these 5.0 ones, but you can't change many details. I have to say, if you rewatch this video, you really have a few options to set in order to generate these articles, but it's quite fast to generate, and even the platform it's bug-free, at least for what I can see in this review. And again, the price is not bad at all, because if you pay monthly, you can have this 100,000 words plan for $19. Obviously, this is for premium, so this is GPT 3.5. If you want to use the GPT-4 AI model, you will have this number of words in this case. Or you can go up to 49 month or even more. Obviously, I just showed you the first two options here, and you can generate many more words. But you can try it for free with 10,000 words if you want. You can find the link in the description, and you will see and decide if you like Writesonic. And remember, if you want to try it, you don't need any credit card. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. As you may know, I like to review and try all these tools, and I will do it again, obviously. So thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video.